Hello, good morning, children's. Class 8th, A, B, C, D, all sections. Dated 11th June, Thursday. Brain teachers, direct and inverse variations. Now, I think that you all have completed worksheet 1, 2, 3 of direct and inverse variations. Now, brain teacher is totally same of worksheet 1, 2, 3. So, I solve only first questions A and B part. First, tick the correct options. Page number 64 and 65. First question is tick the correct options. A. Both x and y are in direct proportions. Then 1 upon x and 1 upon y are in a direct proportions. In inverse, neither indirect nor inverse. Sometimes this is your indirect proportions. First. Second, B. If two quantities x and y vary inversely with each other, then vary inversely. What is the condition for inversely? Your answer will be x, y remain constant. Product of their corresponding value remains constant. Neither subtraction nor your additions and nor your ratios. Only product x into y is going to remain constant. Fourth part is your correct answer. C. Both P and Q vary directly with each other. When P is equal to 10 and Q is equal to 15, which of the following is not a possible pair of corresponding value of P and Q? For directly your value for your ratio is P upon Q. Ratio P and Q is P upon Q. Its value is equal to 10 upon 15. Check all the four options. Either their value is equal to 10 upon 15 or in a lowest sum 10 upon 15. In lowest term it can be written as ratio 10 upon 15 can be written as 2 upon 3. Now check all options. Is 15 upon 20 is equal to 2 upon 3? No. 15 upon 20 is equal to 3 upon 4. 20 upon 30 is equal to this? Yes. 10 2s are 20, 15 2s are 30. Now 10 upon 15 is also equal to 2 upon 3 and 10 upon 15 is also equal to. Now all these three options belong to your questions. This fourth one is not. So your correct answer is first. Now D, if x and y vary directly, so what is the condition for directly? Condition for directly is that x upon y is equal to k. Ratio of their corresponding value remains constant. Now x is equal to 24. What is y? When constant of variation is 3. X is equal to 24. Now putting the value of x and y and k. X is equal to 24. Y is your unknown. K is your 8. Cross multiply. 8y is equal to 20. 8y is equal to 24. 8 into y, 8y. Or y is equal to 24 upon 8 is equal to. This is not 3. Constant of variation is your 3. 3 by 3. 3 1 ja 3, 8. Your answer is 8. Third one is your correct answer. E. Which of the quantities vary inversely with each other? डिस्टेंस ट्रेवल एंड कैब फेयर. इफ आप डिस्टेंस ट्रेवल कोई व्हीकल आपका डिस्टेंस ट्रेवल कर रहा है तो उसमें कैब फेयर उसके अनुसार ही कैब का फेयर होगा. भाड़ा उसी के अनुसार लिया जाएगा कैब फेयर. अगर डिस्टेंस कम होगा तो फेयर भी कम होगा. अगर डिस्टेंस ज़्यादा होगा तो दिस इज ए डायरेक्ट वेरिएशन. बट यू कैन चूज ओनली इनवर्स वेरिएशन. एरिया ऑफ लैंड एंड कॉस्ट. एरिया ज़्यादा होगा तो कॉस्ट ज़्यादा होगी. अगर एरिया आपका कम होगा तो कॉस्ट भी उसकी कम होगी. अगेन दिस इज ए डायरेक्ट वेरिएशन. नंबर ऑफ वर्कर्स एंड अमाउंट ऑफ वर्क डन. नंबर ऑफ वर्कर्स, अगर वर्कर्स ज्यादा होंगे तो काम भी ज्यादा करेंगे. अगर वर्कर्स कम होंगे तो काम भी. अगेन दिस इज डायरेक्ट वेरिएशंस. नंबर ऑफ वर्कर्स एंड टाइम टेकन. इफ नंबर ऑफ वर्कर्स ज्यादा होंगे तो वो जो टास्क है काम है वो कम समय में उसको खत्म करेंगे. अगर नंबर्स ऑफ वर्कर्स कम होंगे तो उस टास्क को सेम टास्क को वो ज्यादा टाइम लगाएंगे. दिस इज द केस ऑफ इनवर्स वेरिएशंस. सो फोर्थ वन इज योर करेक्ट आंसर. Now I go for B. Answer the following questions. A. L varies directly as M. L varies directly. What is the condition for directly? L upon M is equal to K. And L is equal to M. L is equal to 5 when M is equal to 2 upon 3. Find L when M is equal to 16 upon 3. L is equal to 5 and M is equal to 2 upon 3. L is equal to 5, M is equal to 2 upon 3. First find your K. Now this 3 goes to numerator, it multiplied by 5, 5 3 is 15, so k is equal to 15 upon 2. Now your second case is find L when m is equal to 16 upon 3, but your condition is same. Find L, m is equal to, what is m? 16 upon 3, 16 upon 3 is equal to k is your 15 upon 2. Now this is equal to 3L upon 16 is equal to 15 upon 2. Now find L. L is equal to this 3. Multiply, it becomes on divide by right hand side. 16 divided by it becomes multiplied. 15 into 16 upon 2 into 3. 2 1 are 2, 8, 3 1 are 3, 5. 8 5s are 40. So your L is equal to 40. Now second, third and fourth or fifth, they are similar. First one, a bowler throws a cricket ball at a speed of 36 km per hour. एक बॉलर जो है उसकी बॉल की जो स्पीड है वो 36 किलोमीटर पर आवर ऐसे बॉलिंग कर रहा है कि 1 आवर में वो 36 किलोमीटर उसकी बॉल जा रही है. हाउ लॉन्ग डज दिस बॉल टेक टू ट्रेवल ए डिस्टेंस ऑफ 20 मीटर्स टू रीच द बैट्समैन. दिस क्वेश्चन इज फ्रॉम वर्कशीट थर्ड. You can use the concept of direct and inverse variations. Here speed is given in 36 km per hour and distance 20 meter. Distance is equal to 20 meter and speed is equal to 36 km per hour. Now distance is given in meter and speed is given in kilometer per hour. Unit are different. Convert into same unit. Convert kilometer per hour into meter per second. 36 into 1000 upon 3600 meter per 20 36 1 jar. This is equal to 10 meter per second. Now ball speed is in 1 second, speed is 10 meter, and find the time taken by in 20 meters. In 1 second it covers 10 meter or 20 meters covered by. Find their time here. Again both the quantities x and y direct variations. You can using the concept of direct distance in meter, x quantity, and time in second, y quantity. If your distance is 10, time taken by 1. If your distance is 20, so what will be your time? This is a direct variations. What is the condition for direct variations? X upon y is equal to k. 20 upon y is equal to 10 upon 1 means 1, or 10y is equal to 20, or y is equal to 20 upon 2 is equal to 20 upon 10 is equal to 2. So in 2 seconds, in 20 meters will be covered. Time taken to covers a distance 20 meter in 2 seconds. Next question. Sweets from a packet were distributed among 50 children and each of them received 4 sweets. Number of children is 50 and each child will get 4 sweets. If it is distributed among 40 children instead of 50 children, if the sweet is distributed to 40 children, then how many sweets will each get? So each child will get more than 4 sweets. So this is the case of inverse variations, because in first number of children is equal to 50 and each child will get 4 sweets. If number of children will be reduced to 40, so each child will get more sweets, more than 4. So this is the case of inverse variation. Product of their corresponding value remains constant. I go for D part and you solve it. E. Your D. If y is inversely proportional to 1 upon x, y is directly proportional to 1 upon x, and x is equal to when y is equal to 20. What is the value of x when y is equal to 1.25? Y is directly proportional. Now look here. Y is directly proportional to 1 upon x. What do you mean by directly? Now to remove this directly, we can equal to and this constant k upon x. Now cross multiply x, y is equal to k. Now substituting the value of x and y. If x is equal to y is equal to 20, x is equal to 2 into y is equal to 20. 22s are 40, or k is equal to 40. Now constant of variation is equal to 40. What is the value of x when y is equal to 1.25? Now again go for these conditions. X y is equal to k. Find x y is equal to 1.25 and constant of variation is equal to 40, or x is equal to 40 upon 1.25. Remove this decimals, 125 and 100. 25 jar 24 jar 5 8 jar 8 4 jar 32. X is equal to 32. Same questions of E. L is inversely proportional to M. So you can go for this. L is inversely means 1 upon root M, and this can be written as L is inversely proportional to equal to K upon root M, or root L into root M is equal to K. In this way you can solve this sum. Question second is also similar. Determine from the values of x and y in below whether they directly 12 upon 9, 3 upon 36, 27.4, 6 upon 12, 9 jar 108, 3 13 jar, their product is 108. Direct variations, it is neither direct nor inverse, or this is your 1. This is your inverse variations, neither direct nor inverse, and this is your direct. So you can solve one and second questions. Tomorrow I will go for question number 3 to 7. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye bye.